Hey guys, this is your buddy Rome. We have two amazing items right here that I've been very excited about getting into my hot little hands. As an outdoor chef, indoor chef, having the right tools is a must, okay? So what we have here is a portable gas stove, and we also have this Korean barbecue styled grill for it as well. So these two components, you can purchase them together. That's exactly how I got them. These were not sent out to me. I actually purchased these with my own funds, and I want to share them with you guys so you guys can see exactly what comes in the box. So starting off, we're going to start off with the portable gas stove. I'm going to show you guys what this thing looks like. So let's go ahead and move this out of the way for a second here, and we're going to take a closer look at what we get in this box. So really simple to open, guys. Just going to pop this open like so. And you're just going to slide this guy out, okay? There's nothing else inside of the box. What you guys see right here is pretty much what you get. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up completely. All right, let's take a tour. Look at how beautiful that is. Low profile, sleek. This looks like something you would find in a professional chef's kitchen. I am very impressed with this little grill so far. All right, just from the aesthetics, looks great. So we have some stickers here we want to remove. Let's go ahead and pull those off. All right, so we have both of our stickers off now. You guys can see the cook element is removable. You can detach it. Really nice, clean, elegant. Inside of this little compartment door here for your butane, you're going to find your starter manual. It also has this little warning, little card on here about the butane and how to get everything started. One of the nice features that I do like with this grill, guys, is that it has this built-in bottle warmer. And what this is for is if you're out in a cold environment, like you're camping, and you know, at certain temperatures, butane does not work very well. So this is going to help keep the bottle warm so that you can get the best performance out of your bottles, okay? Now, another cool feature with this, different than a lot of the other ones, this one actually has a magnetic connector. So there's no more levers to press down. You're just going to connect this with magnets, which I'm going to show you guys right here. Here's your igniter, and this is your heating element right here. All right, so let's go ahead and let's throw our butane in, just so you guys can see what I'm doing here. Now you still have the little notch right here, just like you would with the traditional, type of butane stove here. So all we have to do here, guys, is we're going to just line this up with this little notch, like so. Push it forward. The magnets are going to then connect right here, and you're pretty much good to go. You can close this door, and then of course you want to replace your cooking element. All right, before we get to cooking, let's take a look at our grill that comes with it as well. All right, so this is the Korean BBQ Grill that I was referring to. So let's open this guy up and see exactly what we get in the box. All right, guys, so opening our box for the first time, we're just gonna pull that little tab down here, and we're gonna reveal what's inside. There's nothing else inside of the box. So here is our grill. Let's pop this guy out. All right, so it comes with a little, looks like a little starter manual here. Man, look at the beautiful design of this. It is gorgeous. It has this nice little raised areas, and that's gonna help you allow the fat that you're rendering to escape. It does have a little hole here on this side, and what this does is it allows all of the oils and everything to come out from the grill. So when you're using this grill, you do need to have something as kind of like a grease trap or a little bowl or something to catch the oil. Now this is going to fit perfectly onto your grill. You guys can see we have these little serrated little legs right here, and those are ideal for making contact. You just want to set that guy down right about there. And like I said, you want something to catch that oil when it's coming out on this side over here. And you can kind of adjust this pretty much wherever you need it, just, for the best use. I do like the fact that this also has these little built-in handles. It's going to make it really easy for handling this if you want to bring whatever you've cooked over to the table. Yeah, this is a win, guys. All right, so let's go ahead and set this guy up. we're going to just kind of position it this way, so that way whatever oils come out. Now I'm going to tell you guys right now, this is very, very stable. This thing has almost no rock, no creaks or anything like that. Okay. All right, so let's start off with firing up our grill. It's in the off position right now. So to turn this on, all you have to do is pull this down. And there we go, guys. There is our first flame. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that, but the flame is on, trust me. All right, so now we can add our grill back on. Now, normally you would already have this grill on. I'm telling you, I can feel the heat coming off of it right now. All right, so we're gonna try to cook something. I'm going to put a little bowl down here just in case there is a little bit of oil that comes out. So I have a couple of these little plastic bowls. You know, the oil's not going to be that hot, but you probably want to use something that's going to be either metal or glass to catch your oils coming out. But what we're trying to do here right now is just to see how fast this will heat up and how well it's going to be able to cook something, you know, on a campsite. Now, this is a barbecue grill, so this is designed for cooking barbecue. So we're just going to lay these little sausages on here. And I can hear them already starting to sizzle. Oh yeah, guys, we're already getting that sizzle. And that is what you want to hear. Now, of course, you can adjust the flame however you need to once you get it to whatever temperature you want. I use a thermometer a lot of times to determine, you know, what the cook temperature is. But I'm going to let this render for just a little bit just to see what kind of crusting we build up here with these sausages with just a few seconds of it being on. So this is going to be great, guys, whether you're making stews, soups, boiling water, grilling things. Again, Korean barbecue style. This thing is beautiful. I love the aesthetics of it. I think this is going to be an amazing, amazing addition to my home, my camping adventures and things like that. So if you guys are interested in this grill and the burner, I would honestly say get them both, guys. Get them both as a set like I did here, because this is going to pretty much give you everything that you need. Okay, so this has been grilling in real time for just a few seconds. So let's go ahead and grab this sausage and flip it over, see what it looks like. Oh, look at that, look at that. All right, let's grab another one. Let's flip it over. All right, guys. As you guys can see here, this is doing the job really, really fast. Yes, that's a win, guys. This is a win. All right, so obviously I'm not going to pick this up to show it to you, but it is doing an amazing job. This thing is also very hot right now, so be careful, you know, safety first. But yeah, I just wanted to unbox this and show you guys this new TECHEF grill. And also the TECHEF burner stove, butane burner stove. I think this is an amazing combination. So if you're interested in something, again, guys, for your camping trips, for your backyard adventures, or, you know, family and friends coming over, you want to have a really cool festive environment, do your own little barbecues, guys, this is going to be a win. Definitely check it out. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video. I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.